If your apartment feels cramped, it's not the square footage. It's the wasted inches. Picture this: a desk that folds away, a dining table that rolls out only when friends arrive, and a sink that stays clear every night. Today we're counting down 20 Amazon gadgets that turn tight rooms into smooth, breathable spaces. Stay for the mid-list game changer, and the final pick hides storage where you'd never expect. 1. Wall-mounted folding chairs. Solid wood wall chair. We start with the wall-mounted folding chair, a real seat when you need it, and basically invisible when you don't. Built from solid wood with a 90-degree silent folding hinge, it flips up tight to the wall so your entryway stays clear. With a rated load around 150 kilograms, it's more than decor. It's dependable for putting on shoes, quick breaks on balconies, or a tiny laundry corner. Zero floor footprint, instant function, clean lines. 2. SPACEKEEPER. Slim rolling storage cart. Next is the SPACEKEEPER 3-tier slim rolling cart, made to live in those awkward gaps your cabinets ignore. It's a narrow 3-shelf setup with removable shelves, high-walled baskets, and side hoops for small hang-ups. The lockable 360-degree casters let it glide out when you need spices, toiletries, or cleaning supplies, then tuck back in place. Waterproof plastic keeps it bathroom and laundry friendly, and quick snap-together assembly makes it a renter win for fast vertical order. 3. SKVSKV wall-mounted folding table. The SKVSKV wall-mounted folding table is a workspace that appears on demand and disappears just as fast. It's a floating, fold-down surface designed for small space life. Think laptops, notebooks, mail, and quick planning sessions, without sacrificing walkways. The finish is built to be easy to wipe and handle moisture, so it can live in kitchens, laundry rooms, or tight office nooks. When you fold it up, the room instantly feels calmer, because the desk clutter zone is gone. 4. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Short on counter space? This over-the-sink dish drying rack gives it back immediately. It's a 2-tier stainless setup that expands to fit different sink widths, so your plates, bowls, and utensils stack vertically while water drains straight into the sink. The result is a cleaner prep area and a more built-in kitchen feel, without remodeling. Hooks and holders keep tools within reach, and the adjustable length makes it practical for small apartments where every inch of counter matters. 5. Collapsible foldable wagon cart with big wheels and tabletop. For hauling without the storage penalty, this collapsible wagon is the move. It's built for real loads, up to 440 pounds, and rolls on big all-terrain wheels with 360-degree swivel front casters and dual brakes for control. The standout is the tabletop, a large work surface that holds up to 220 pounds, turning your wagon into an instant prep station at the park, beach, or campsite. When you're done, it folds down slim for trunks and closets. Big capacity, no space tax. 6. Indoor retractable clothesline, wall-mounted heavy-duty. This retractable clothesline turns dead air into a functional drying zone. It wall mounts neatly, then extends out to about 14 feet of line when laundry day hits. The stainless steel line material and non-sagging design help keep towels and delicates from drooping into a mess. And when you're finished, it retracts back into its compact housing. It's ideal for apartments, balconies, bathrooms, or tight laundry nooks because it adds capability without adding clutter. 7. Under-sink organizer storage. Under-sink cabinets are where organization goes to die, until you add a pull-out, 2-tier organizer like this. The L-shaped layout is designed to work around plumbing, while the sliding drawer brings hidden items forward so you're not digging in the back. It's metal, rust-resistant, and built for wet zones with adjustable height plus non-slip suction feet to keep it stable. From cleaning supplies to toiletries, it turns a chaotic cabinet into an easy access station that actually stays tidy. 8. Megapuxin under-bed storage with wheels. Next is under-bed storage that finally feels effortless. This rolling container gives you a huge capacity, around 65 liters, with an adjustable height range so it fits different bed clearances. 4 360-degree wheels slide smoothly, and the unit is rated to handle heavier loads, up to about 70 pounds, so you can store seasonal clothes, shoes, or bulky blankets without sagging. A clear lid with labels helps you spot what you need fast, while zippers keep dust out. Hidden storage, zero hassle. 9. Bed risers. If your bed sits flat on the floor, you're leaving a storage goldmine unused. Heavy-duty bed risers lift furniture to create instant underbed space for bins, baskets, and rolling organizers, without changing your layout. These are built from thickened PP plastic and rated for very high weight capacity, up to around 6,000 pounds. So they're made for real beds, not just light side tables. Use them to improve airflow, make vacuuming easier, and unlock storage where your room can spare it. 10. PowerKing Cable Management Box Organizer. Cable chaos makes even a nice room feel temporary, so a cable management box is an instant grown-up upgrade. This PowerKing organizer hides a power strip, adapters, and extra cord length inside a clean box, topped with a bamboo lid that looks more like decor than storage. It's perfect behind TVs, under desks, or beside nightstands, anywhere cords tend to spill out. Bonus, it helps keep cables out of reach from pets and kids, while making your setup look intentional and calm. 11. Drop Leaf Dining Table. Next is the Drop Leaf Dining Table that flexes with your day. It rolls on 6 casters, so you can pull it out for meals, then glide it back against a wall when you're done. The leaves fold down to shrink the footprint fast, and many designs add built-in shelving so placemats, bowls, or small appliances stay tucked underneath. It's a dining table, desk, and craft station in one, perfect for apartments that can't afford single-use furniture. 12. Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator. If your cabinets are bursting, this magnetic fridge rack turns the side of your refrigerator into a vertical pantry. The set gives you multiple metal shelves plus add-ons like hooks, a utensil cup, and holders for paper towels or cutting boards. So everyday tools live in the open, not in piles. Strong magnets keep everything secure without drilling holes, which is huge for renters. It's one of the fastest ways to clear counter clutter and make a tiny kitchen feel organized. 13. Over-the-door organizer with 5 large pockets and 10 side mesh pockets. This over-the-door organizer is what you use when drawers are full and closets are done negotiating. You get 5 deep main pockets for bulkier items, plus side mesh pockets for the small stuff you always lose. Chargers, socks, skincare, cleaning wipes, you name it. Many versions add clear, visible window panels so you can spot items instantly without digging. It hangs behind any standard door, turning dead space into a clean storage wall. 0 installation, maximum payoff. 14. Couch Arm Tray Table. Next is the bamboo clip-on couch arm tray, because small living rooms can't waste space on side tables. It clamps onto the sofa arm and creates a stable surface for snacks, coffee, remotes, or even a laptop for quick work sessions. Many models add a rotating phone holder, so your couch becomes a mini command center without extra furniture. It's perfect for studio apartments and tight lounges where every inch counts. Simple idea, surprisingly life-improving. 15. Vacuum storage bags for blankets and comforters. Bulky bedding eats closets alive, so vacuum storage bags are a tiny apartment cheat code. This set includes 8 jumbo bags plus a compact electric pump, so you can compress comforters, blankets, towels, and off-season clothes down to a fraction of their original size. The material is made for reuse, and the sealed valve helps keep air out for longer storage. Slide the finished packs under the bed or on a top shelf, and suddenly your closet starts breathing again. 16. SHIMOYAMA Folding Step Stool. A folding step stool seems small, until you live in a small space. This one pops open to add about 9 inches of height for reaching high shelves, then folds flat to disappear beside a fridge or inside a closet. It's lightweight but rated for real use, around 220 pounds, and features non-slip surfaces for better footing. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, and tight storage rooms where you need safe reach without storing a bulky ladder. Quiet hero gadget every day. 17. Wall-mounted folding table. This wall-mounted folding table is a room reset button. Drop it down and you've got a clean workstation for a laptop, bills, or quick meals. Fold it back up and the floor is yours again. The surface is designed to be waterproof and easy to wipe, which makes it ideal for kitchens, laundry corners, or studio apartments where one zone has to do everything. It's the kind of product that makes a small room feel intentional, because clutter doesn't get a permanent address. 18. IDEALHOUSE Folding Dining Table. If you want maximum flexibility, this IDEALHOUSE drop leaf table brings expand and store furniture to small spaces. Fully open, it's sized to serve a family-style meal. Half fold it and it becomes a compact console. Fold it down and it slides out of the way. 6 wheels make moving effortless, and the 2-layer storage shelf keeps essentials close. Linens, plates, even small appliances. It's perfect for apartments because it replaces multiple pieces of furniture with one smart footprint. 19. Delamu 2-pack Cable Management Box. Cable clutter is the fastest way to make a space feel chaotic, so a cable management box is an instant visual upgrade. This Delamu set gives you 2 boxes in different sizes, designed to hide power strips, adapters, and excess cord length under desks, beside TVs, or near nightstands. The minimalist look helps the room feel finished, not improvised, and it's especially helpful in small apartments, where everything is always in view. Hide the mess, reduce dust, and make your setup look clean on camera. 20. SAPPHIRE Home Couch Arm Table. To finish, the SAPPHIRE Home Couch Arm Table turns your sofa into a functional surface without adding furniture. It's made from thick MDF-style engineered wood with a smooth finish, and the flexible, foldable design lets it conform to different couch arms. Use it for drinks, snacks, or a quick laptop perch, then fold it away when you want the couch to feel open again. For tiny living rooms, it's a clever way to add daily convenience while keeping walkways clear. And that's our roundup of 20 Amazon space savers that make tiny apartments feel surprisingly roomy. From fold-away workstations to hidden storage upgrades, each pick helps your home flow better without adding clutter. Now I'm curious, which gadget would you use first? And what's the biggest space problem you're trying to fix? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart small space finds.